So in this video, I'm quickly just going to show you how you can invite your friends to Revolut. So first things first is you'll want to open up the Revolut app to this page here, and then you'll just want to click on the profile section at the top here. Then from there, you'll just need to click on invite and referrals. And then from here, you'll be opened up to this page here, where it will then tell you the active current promotion and what you can earn inviting anyone to Revolut. So right now, as you can see, if you can invite a friend to Revolut before the 27th of May, you'll be rewarded with £40. And usually the promotion does change month on month, but usually the 4 steps in order for you to receive your cash reward are always mostly the same. And of those 4 steps, obviously the first one is they need to sign up with your link. The second one is they need to add money to their account. The third one is they need to order a physical card. And the fourth one is they need to make 3 transactions of at least £5 minimum. But anyway, to refer your friends, you'll just want to click on invite friends here. And then you just want to copy the link. And then once you've copied the link, you can then go ahead and send it to your friend. But obviously keep in mind that the link does change month on month. So it won't always be the same link every month, as usually you get a new referral link every month depending on whichever promotion they're running. But overall, that is pretty much it. Just as a side note, I'll also leave my own referral link in the description, so if you are able to use it, your support for the channel is always appreciated. But if you found this video helpful, please do leave a like, as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.